Today I'm going to walk you through how to join a Telegram group using a QR code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly access any Telegram group or channel just by scanning a code. No guesswork, no hassle, and no need to fumble with long invite links. Let's get right into it so you can start connecting with your communities faster. First up, let's cover the basics you'll need before we start scanning anything. For this process, you'll need the QR code that's linked to the Telegram group you want to join. That means you should have the code either displayed on another device, such as a computer, tablet, or a friend's phone, or printed out on paper. It's important to know, Telegram's built-in camera scanner can only scan QR codes live with your camera. It doesn't let you upload a photo of the code from your own gallery. So if you're trying to join a group from a QR code that was sent directly to your phone, you'll need to open that code somewhere else first. Also, make sure the QR code is still valid and specifically linked to the group or channel you're interested in. Expired or incorrect codes won't work. Alright, ready with your QR code, let's get into the Telegram app itself. Grab your smartphone and open Telegram. You should land on your main chat list screen. Now look towards the top of the screen where you'll see the search icon. It looks just like a little magnifying glass. Tap that search icon. This opens the search bar where you'd normally look for chats and channels. But here's the neat trick a lot of folks miss. Next to the search bar, usually on the right side or sometimes inside the search box itself, you'll see a small QR code icon. It's recognizable by its design, typically a square with 3 smaller squares tucked into the corners. Go ahead and tap this QR code icon. This opens up the camera scanner interface and you'll see your phone's camera view appear on your screen. Now for the scanning part. Gently point your camera at the QR code. Remember, it should be on another device or printed out in front of you. Take a second to make sure the code is fully in frame and that you're holding your phone steady. Good lighting can help, and don't worry if it takes a moment for the scanner to pick it up. You might need to move your phone a little until the code is clear. Once the app sees the code, it'll automatically process it and pop up with a prompt on your screen. At this point, you'll see an option to join the group or channel that's linked to that QR code. Usually it'll say Join Group or Join Channel. Simply tap that button, and that's it. You've successfully joined the new Telegram group or channel, all with just a quick scan. If you ever run into trouble, like the scanner not recognizing the code or the join prompt not appearing, double-check that your version of Telegram is up to date and that the QR code itself is current and linked to an active group. Sometimes codes can expire or be disabled by group admins, so reach out to them if you suspect that's the case. And there you have it, joining a Telegram group via QR code is a breeze once you know exactly where to find the scanner in the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more easy guides like this. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Telegram.